Yeah, there's a very strange sense of terror that comes from knowing exactly what's going to happen to you. There's a strange sense of calm that comes from it also, but in the middle of the night when you can't sleep, sometimes you feel happy knowing what they're trying to do to you, and sometimes you feel terrified knowing what they're trying to do to you. I think I'm very happy. Every single podcast I did previous to this, I hammered the point home and I made it very clear that they had the intention of trying to put me in jail. I said there's 3 lives. They try and cancel you and slander you and destroy your name. They don't just want you to disappear from the internet. They want you to disappear from the internet in a cloud of shame. They have to shame you, which is why they chose the crimes they did for me, and it's why they usually choose the crimes they choose, because it's heinous. They want to shame you, and they want you to disappear with your head facing the ground and never pop up again. Obviously, they attempted to cancel me, and I became more famous than ever before. I even said to you on your podcast, and I said on other podcasts, I said, I think they made a mistake. I think when you have power and you overuse it, what happens is a rebellion. That's how a revolution starts. When you have power, you have to be very, very careful with how you use that power. The second you overuse it, there's a revolution, and we're in Romania, so they know all about that. That's exactly what happens. And I said at the time, I think I was a mistake. I think they made a big mistake canceling me the way they did. And then the second time, the second life, which I described as they try and put you in jail for no reason. Here we are in the current scenario. I knew it was going to happen. And the third one is they put a bullet in your head. So we're going to have to see how the second life plays out. And yeah, I mean, when this is all over and I win the court case and I get the not guilty, I won't be smiling. I'll be walking out the courtroom with my head on a swivel. That's the kind of life I'm living now. I'm going to be thinking, oh, okay, so their second attempt failed. Now what? Like, do I want to fly private anymore? Do I want to go that place anymore? You start to think about these things. Like, do I want to do these things? A lot of billionaires dying in plane crashes. It's strange. So it's scary, regardless of how it plays out. And I guess you just have to go with the punches and see where it lands. And God has a plan for me and for all of us, and we're just going to see how it ends up. I want to make it very clear, and I make it clear on absolutely every single podcast, I would never kill myself. I don't care what they say. I don't care what video they show you. Never under any circumstance would I kill myself. It's haram. Never. I don't care if they put me back in the dungeon, solitary confinement by myself for the rest of my human years. I would never kill myself, ever, ever. So if that ever happens, God forbid, do not believe whatever garbage they tell you. The chance of me killing myself is precisely 0. They have to damage my influence. They have to damage my influence. They can't sit there and let me be influential because I'm saying things that they don't like me saying. And there are people sitting around going, he's saying things counter to our message and counter to our narrative. Get rid of it. And they have a pretty standardized playbook. And this is probably one of the first times in history where their playbook just isn't working. Cancel him. He's still around. Oh, well, lie about him in the news. Just say he touches chicks. Well, no one believes it. Oh, all the comments are on his side. Everyone's calling us liars. Okay, then do it again. Then do it again. Make up a new girl. Then do it again. Find someone else. Yeah. And they keep attacking me with the same weapons, but the bullets are bouncing off. And that doesn't give me a sense of calm. That doesn't make me think, ha ha ha, I'm invincible. It makes me think, uh-oh. It makes me think, uh-oh, because human life is cheap at the top. It's very cheap. It's interesting, because sometimes I analyze myself and think, why don't I just do that? Why don't I just disappear? You know, I don't need money. I don't need fame. Why don't I just disappear? And then you have to, I was saying this to my brother, and he was like, well, Genghis Khan didn't need Vienna. Some people are just wired that way. Like, Vienna's a long way from Kathmandu. Sometimes that's just the way it is, or Ulaanbaatar, I apologize, the capital of Mongolia. That's just the way some people are. If I see injustice, and if I see things which I believe to be false, I feel like I am obligated to say the truth. I can't explain why, even if at my own detriment. What am I doing this for? Like, it's to the detriment of my life. And I've had these conversations at length with the people close to me, and we're all saying the same thing. It's always been the same way. Humanity's always been the same way. There's been a select, small, few good men up against evil, and evil always outnumbers you. Evil always has more money than you. They always have more power and more influence than you. If you play any video game, when you get to the end boss, he always has more life than you. He always has more hit points, but you're the good guy. And it's kind of like, it's never been any different. At any point in human history, there's been the good guys up against the forces of evil, whatever they were at the time, and you've always been outnumbered and you've always been supposed to lose. Well, instead of saying who, what I will start by saying is what they do. And what they do is they control information. And we now live in an information society, and by controlling information, they control how people think and act and react to things. That's all they have to do. They have to control information, and they have to be very selective with what they allow you to talk about and what they allow you to discuss and what they don't. And once they can do that, they can keep you bickering about garbage, and they can control the sensitive information, and then they run the world. So having all the information controlled and having this hard barrier on what can be discussed, that's how they can purport absolute fallacies. I think now it's been a couple years, we can probably talk about it. They psyoped the world into believing they should be afraid of the common cold. They psyoped the world into this. And if you think about how difficult that would be to do, how difficult would it be to psyop the entire population of Earth? Well, what you do is you just lie on repeat, and you don't allow anyone to say anything counter to it without hurting them the same way I've been hurt. And you just psyop them. It's actually amazing because now I use that exact same psyop on people. I love it. I love it. So when I sit with someone who's not matrix-minded, when I sit with someone who is matrix-minded, like when the BBC walked in here, I'm like, do you all have your vaccinations? Social distancing. Did you actually? 100%. Social distancing, please. And they look at me like I'm crazy. Well, how am I crazy? 2 years ago, you were telling me to do this. Now when I repeat your own worldview to you, I'm crazy. Well, if I'm crazy, guess what? You're a fucking liar because you lied the whole time. So either you're a liar or I'm not. You know, how can I be nuts? Put your fucking mask on. If I ever talk to any of these clowns again, they're going to be fully masked up. And I refuse. I don't care if you've had 2 booster jabs. No, I want all 6. All 6 injections. I want paperwork. Or get fucked.
You're not coming in the house.
Get fucked. I'm scared of COVID. It's dangerous. I believe the mainstream media. I'm scared.
This word you keep using, PSYOP, I've never heard this word. It's short for psychological operations?
Correct.
Break that down. What exactly is a PSYOP?
Yeah, a PSYOP is the matrix as a whole. It's like psychological operations are constant. They constantly decide how they want you to think and what they can do to make you believe that, right? There's a whole bunch of them they do. But it starts with tolerance. That's what I don't like about this whole guise of tolerance. It's not that I'm an intolerant person. It's not that I'm a bad person. It's not that I want to hurt other people. But when they keep pushing tolerance, what they're trying to say is have no standards or barriers or parameters for anything. That's what they want. You have to be tolerant. Tolerant of what? Tolerant of having your shop set on fire, tolerant of your kids being taught things you don't want, tolerant of crime, tolerant of your house being broken into. Like, tolerant of what? You're not allowed any hard barrier or any hard parameters as a man anymore. That's why they push tolerance. That's the beginning of it. That's the first stage. Once you accept absolute tolerance, well then it's the end, isn't it? I'm tolerant of everything. I'll eat the bugs. Sure.
You'll tolerate everything.
I'll tolerate everything. I'm tolerant. Sure. So when I say things like I'm intolerant of certain things and people think that's bad, no, you need to have standards and parameters. And that's one of the reasons they also attack me. I say that men should be allowed to have standards and parameters in a relationship and in their lives. We should be allowed to decide who we want to marry, and we should have standards for her. They have standards for us. We should allow ourselves to have standards for her. We should have standards in what we'll accept from a government and standards in what we'll accept from a police force. We should have standards as men. But they're trying to erode all of that, because once that's gone, then your brain is completely empty. And then once your brain's empty, they can just plug in the slave program, and then it's over, right? You're a tolerant person. You're a tolerant person. Good. You're a good slave. Slaves are exceptionally tolerant.
They're good for different things, man. But they both have the same basic worldviews, the same basic what's the word I'm looking for? Propaganda. The same. They're trying to hypnotize you in the same way, right? And it's all done on purpose. I think we've discussed this before, and we'll discuss it certainly a bit later, but they're trying to destroy the masculine imperative to prevent revolution. So it's all kind of the same. There's certain things I respect about each country. But it was good to certainly at a young age move around a bit as well. It allowed me to never, ever really settle in a school and make a bunch of good friends or anything like that. So I always understood, even from a young age, how to make people like me quickly, and also how unimportant the relationships with those people were, right? I wasn't a kid who's like, oh, I'm going to miss my best friend. I was like, okay, you were my best friend for 2 years. Peace. I'm out. I was like that. So that's probably another reason why me and my brother are so close. So yeah, it was a good upbringing. I can't have nothing bad to say about it. I was just raised by the OG. My dad was a G. Big, black, chess master, huge, drinking, gambling, pimping. Like, he's just out here. He was just that guy, right? So he was like that to the end. So he was a hero. Yeah. So chess, I mean, obviously my father was a chess master, right? So I had to learn the game. He sat me down. I spent a lot of time learning it. And to this day, I have massive respect for chess. So much respect for the game. It's so much harder at that world level than people can even fathom. Unless you even play the game, you can't even anticipate how good these people are at the game. They're effectively computers. I don't think you can even be good at chess at that level without having something a little bit wrong with you. You got to be on the spectrum somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Because it's crazy how good these guys are. But yeah, chess is an amazing thing. I still play chess every day. I'm not world level or anything. I'm around 1750, 1800 elo. If anyone knows chess, that's what I am. But yeah,
would that be considered better than average?
Certainly better than average. Yeah. You know, the average player, let's say, is around 1,000 or something.
Okay.
But my dad was 2,400.
Okay.
2,500.
Damn.
So yeah, so I'll give you an example. My dad could beat me without looking at the board. So my dad would be in the kitchen, fucking around the kitchen, cooking dinner. I'd be in front of a chessboard in the living room, and I'd say E4. He'd say C6. Knight F3, Knight C3. And boom, and he'd smoke me without looking at the board. That's how good the best. It's insanity. Yeah. But I do think it's a good basis for life. There's certainly a lot of lessons in chess. There's certainly a lot you can attribute to chess from everyday life to the chessboard. And I think it's a good grounding mechanism. I enjoy to sit down for a good couple hours, win some games, lose some games. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll give you my favorite one first.
Yeah. Please do.
My favorite one is the difference between the king and the queen. Right? Because the king moves one square at a time. And the queen can just zip across the board. Right? So you're here in Miami. You're partying in Miami. They got all these parties right now. It's Art Basel, blah, blah, blah. You see all these chicks on a boat. For the man to get on that boat, it's one square at a time. Right? He has to get a good job. He has to get his taxes right. He has to find a way to leverage credit. He has to meet the guy who sells the boats. He has to go through all this shit stage by stage by stage to finally pull off being on that yacht and having that yacht at the age of 56. A chick, what does she need? Lip fillers? Boom. Zip. On. She gets straight on. That's the difference between the king and the queen. But although the king is slower than the queen, he's the most important piece, right? The king can't die. The queen can die. The queen, sometimes you can be looking at a position and go, this is fucked up. The only way out of this is to sacrifice that bitch. Sometimes you can do it. I'll tell you a very quick story. This is a story I've never told before. When I was, how old was I? 23? When I was 23, I was dating a ballerina. She was the prima ballerina of the Cambridge Ballet School in England. And I had no money. I was a fighter, but I was coming up. I didn't really have any money. And she lived far away, like an hour and a half away, but she used to come see me, and we were good for like a year and a half. I loved this girl. Yeah. And she finished ballet school. She started dancing in clubs in London. She couldn't get any ballet work. Surprise, surprise. Who fucking wants ballet work, right? So she ends up doing like dancing and not stripping, but like dancing in the club, you know. So now she's around all the London money every day. She's out dancing all the time. She's up late every night. She doesn't want to drive an hour and a half to come see me. None of this shit. So we're kind of falling apart a little bit. And she ended up talking to someone famous, David Hay. I don't know who he is. He's a boxer. So David Hay starts texting this bitch, right? Back and forth to the. So anyway, when I finally saw her again, she was like, we had an argument. She's like, well, you know what? You think you're a fighter? This guy, that guy, this guy, that guy. I'm like, look, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least do it for money. And she's like, what do you mean? I was like, well, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least get paid because they don't give a fuck about you. Like, if you're going to play this game, at least do it for money. Right. So I had this argument with her back and forth, and I explained to her that these men are just going to use you. If you're going to do it, at least get paid. And when she left the house, Tristan said, why are you telling her to fuck other dudes? I'm like, no, I'm just understanding that in my chess position, I've lost this game. Right. The game is done now. Just sooner or later, she's out. All we do is argue. She's in the club every night. I'm just trying to say, before she leaves, maybe I can get a little bit of money. Yeah. That's the queen sacrifice, right? Right. We broke up 3 months later. I don't know if she fucked him or not, or who she fucked. I don't know. I never spoke to her since. But that's kind of the analogy you have to be able to apply to life. Sometimes chicks got to go. Yeah. Sometimes they have to go to save the king. And too many dudes, most of the time, men truly lose at life. It's because they've attached themselves to a queen and they won't let her up. They won't sacrifice her. No matter what, I promised I'm going to stick by you. This, our marriage vows, no matter what. And they just stay on that sinking ship till she eventually leaves his ass. Even worse, what most queens do, I don't want to use queens, what most women do nowadays, especially in the West, I see women getting their men in trouble all the time. You know how many times I've seen chicks starting fights for their dude to have to mop up? My man's gonna and the man's like, oh, fucking shut up, man. There's 4 of them. Do you know what I mean? Like, even if he's a big dude, he's like, I don't really need this now today. You know what I'm saying? Man, another story. I have so many stories in my life. My life's been cool. Back around the same time, I'm 22, 23 years old, kickboxer. I was British champion. I wasn't world champion at the time. It was 4 a.m. The club just ended. I was in a chicken and chip shop. It's an English thing. They sell like fries and fried chicken and they're open 24 hours. Like, yeah, something like that. And there's a long line. An Audi with tinted windows pulls up. These 3 big black guys get out, push it straight in front of the whole line, go straight up to the front, cut in front of 5 people and start ordering. My girl goes to me, we've been waiting here ages. I said, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. She goes, you're just going to let them push in? I said, shut the fuck up. So I made her be quiet, right? Anyway, the man two in front of me, not this guy, the guy here, he couldn't tell this bitch to shut up. She's like, excuse me, there's a line. And the guy turns around and goes, you think I don't see the fucking line? I don't care about a fucking line. So she starts running her mouth. Bro, this dude knocked her the fuck out. Oh, man. Whack, clean, out cold. By the time her man looked at her and looked back up, boom, sparked, done.
Whoa.
Both of them. And I stood there and watched both of them just laid out clean. Yeah, fatalities, bro. It was, I wouldn't be surprised if they both have permanent damage. It was bad. The three dudes who ordered the chicken and chips didn't even take their food. They started laughing, walked back out, got in the car. And I turned around and said to my girl, you see, some people are just ready to fucking go to jail. Some people are ready to kill people over fucking nothing. You want me to fight? Oh yeah, I can fight, but what am I fighting these three dudes for? What, fries?
Yeah.
What, fries and a 10-minute delay?
Damn.
Man, and that's what bitches will get you into this shit.
Yeah.
Bitches will get you into this shit fast. And that's why when I see dudes saying, oh yeah, she's just my friend, you're hanging around with girls and they're not even giving you pussy and they might get your ass killed. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Girls are a liability. They're a liability to have around you because you have a duty to protect them in some regard. I curate my experience very, very carefully. Any woman I'm around, I understand I have to protect. So she better suck something. Because I ain't fucking sitting around being friends with no bitch. Because I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen so many men have their ass kicked over chicks. It's incredible. 100%, man. They're a liability, and it's not necessarily just completely their fault.
Yeah.
But if you're rolling with a chick who won't shut up when you tell her to shut up, you need to be careful, man. And Myron nailed it. There's a big difference between fighting and violence.
Yeah.
Like, I'm a professional fighter, right? I know how to fight. But fighting and violence are different things.
Yep.
If I wanted to get violent on somebody, I just run them the fuck over. Like, forget fighting. Right? If somebody who hurt my family was on the sidewalk, I'm not going to get out and fight the guy. I'm just going to just run him over my fucking truck. We'll talk about violence. Because if you rely on the government for food stamps, then you can't argue with the government, can you? So that's what they want. So anyone who believes in the Matrix and believes in media and believes in the lies they're told, anyone who sits there and goes, that's true, that it's literally designed to make you broke. That's why it's all a scam. Do your GCSEs, do your A-levels, get in debt, go to uni, get out, get a shit job, get a mortgage. Don't worry, when you've paid that mortgage off when you're 61, then you'll have enough money to go to Spain for holiday. Then your pension comes. Oh, government doesn't have the pension money anymore. Funny enough, hedge fund stole it. Oops-de-doops. And then you wake up one day and go, whoa, I just got fucked. So the whole scam, the whole story is a lie because they want you broke. They don't want you rich. If you're rich, you won't listen to them. So all of it's a fucking lie. And intrinsically, we all know this, right? When I pull up in one of my 30 cars to a gas station and people look at me and they see a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg, whatever I'm driving, nobody goes, wow, he went to school. No, they think drug dealer, gangster. They're thinking he broke the rules because anyone who follows the rules doesn't get shit. It's all a scam. It's all a fucking lie. So the slave minds are fucked, but those are the only ones who are too stupid to make money. Anybody who understands that the Matrix is lying to them is smart enough. So very small percent are too stupid. Inside of our school, at the height of it, before the Matrix attack, we're relaunching now, we had 175,000 students.
Wow.
When we had 175,000 students, maybe 2,000 we kicked out for being too stupid. It's step by step. Do this, do that, do this, and don't be lazy. Fuck, it's not that hard, right? So stupid's not the problem. So we have people who are lazy, very few are stupid, but the majority, the main reason most people are broke is because they are arrogant. I will sit here and say all the things I've said. I will do this, take time out of my life for free. Somebody at home will watch and digest it for free. They will agree with the things that are being said, or at least be entertained enough to continue to watch. And then I'll say, I'll teach you how to make money online. CobraTake.com, you can join the real world. And they'll sit there and go, nah, I'll do it myself. They're arrogant. They have these egos from fuck knows where because they didn't earn it. And they're just too arrogant to listen to anybody. I became world champion by listening to my coach. I didn't become world champion by walking in and saying, I'll do it myself. That's not how you get anywhere in life. You have to listen. If Mike Tyson were to walk in, or if Elon Musk were to walk in here and talk to me about money, I wouldn't be sitting there going, I can do that. I'd be like, oh, Mr. Elon, richest man in the world. Hello, very nice to meet you. Please, even though I already understand I don't want to launch a car brand or put rockets in space, please, you must know some things I don't know. How do you deal with the currency fluctuations? Does inflation impact how much it costs for you to send a rocket into space? Like, I'd ask him something that's useful, right? But some people are so brutally arrogant that they'll sit here and they'll listen to all the things I said, and they'll agree that I'm intelligent, they'll agree I'm massively successful, but they'll sit there and go, yeah, but you know what? I'll do it myself. I don't want to join that school. You know, I'll do it myself. They're arrogant. Everybody's fucking arrogant. I sit with people who I used to go to school with from Luton who are still broke and tell them how to make money. And you know what they do? They answer back.
Yeah, but it's not that simple because the wife gets the kid, and you know what? And I don't like to do things that way. The way I like to work, the way you like to work is why you're fucking broke. So what the fuck are you talking about? You just sat here and wasted 10 minutes of my time. I told you how to take your business of painting and decorating or whatever the fuck you're doing and make a serious amount of money, and now you're telling me the way you like to work? Then stay fucking broke. The fuck you want me to do? What level of arrogance? But this is people. They'll sit with a multi-millionaire and tell you their view. Oh, I think that know when you're out qualified and accept it and learn. So we all do. I can't play piano for shit. The piano teacher walked in here and said, this is what you do. And I said, well, I like to move my hands this way. What kind of dumbass? But this is the arrogance people operate under. So I'd say 20% of people are lazy, 20 to 25%. A large portion of the world are not lazy. They're actually working exceptionally hard, but they're doing the wrong thing. 5% of people are too stupid. So say 25%, 5% is 30%. But 70% of people are brutally arrogant, and this is why they are poor. That's the truth. Good question. I've talked about this already. It was an unorthodox strategy. I've talked about it at length, so I won't give the whole story because it's too long. But I identified a gap. I identified a market. I approached the scenario and the situation extremely professionally. And I worked exceptionally hard. I made my first $1 million. So my first millions came from owning a webcam studio. So I saw a little advertisement in the corner of a webpage saying, talk to live girls now. I've never been a porn guy. I'm not interested in that shit. But I was like, that's interesting. I know some girls who need some money. Boom, boom, boom. I put together this apparatus, extremely professional. No fucking sexual misconduct, no Dan Bilzerian, no threesomes, nothing. Very professional. 50-somes if it's down. Very professional outfit. And I used all my business knowledge, all my life knowledge, and I applied it. I worked 22-hour days, I would say. I got to the point where I was so tired, that I said, you know what, give me 20 minutes. And if I could hear the alarm go off, I'd get up. Sometimes I just slept clean through it, and I slept an hour or two. For months and months and months, and I built an empire. I built an insanely large empire at one point. I'm completely out of that business now, but how did I do it?
As in, did you sell it?
I didn't sell it, I just closed it all down, I moved on. I started making a bunch of money and I found other opportunities. But how did I get that opportunity? Perspicacity, first thing I said, pay attention. I paid attention. I looked at the girl. I'll give you the coffee shop example. This is what I did. I clicked on that advert, I saw the girl sitting there, miserable, waiting for a customer. I thought, nobody's gonna buy from an unhappy bitch. The men who are paying her are trying to escape an unhappy life, or they wouldn't be doing this shit. So when I got my girls online, smile. Happy girls get paid. That was the token. That was the slogan. Happy girls get rich. Joking. Ha ha ha. Who's you gonna pay? You're gonna pay the girls like, yeah, having a blast. So I paid attention to the competition. I saw an opportunity. Just at the coffee shop. So all the things they did wrong. The room was messy. Camera quality was shit. There's the basic stuff. The way the girl acted and interacted. All that stuff. And I applied it all by paying attention countless hours watching everybody else, finding the way to do it better. So I took the coffee shop and I did it better. So I was absolutely and utterly perspicacious, and that's how you make money. And I did it with that, but I could have done it with anything. And now I do it with everything. The story of me sending a text message via my network and having a coffee shop is a true story. I've been in there maybe twice. I can't even go. And I have mechanisms in place to make sure I'm not robbed too badly, because unfortunately a little bit of cash goes missing. But everything's in place and it makes me money. I don't think I've even drunk my own coffee. I identified, I put together a list. It needs to be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I have competent people who work for me, which is very hard to find, but I do. They understand to follow the doctrine to the doctrine, and I'm getting money into a bank account. That's it. And you can do that with literally anything if you have a strong network and you pay attention. You can do anything. Even podcasts. We're doing a podcast right now. You guys are already big and successful at this. I'm telling you, you can look at the biggest podcasts in the world and still see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong.
All right. Welcome, welcome everyone on this stream one more day. So, yeah, we are waiting for what? For our setup to shows up. All right, candles close over here. 1 hour is just pushing down. Maybe we come down, create a support, retest that high on the 1 hour time frame. But the thing is, yeah, we can retest that high, but yeah, this is just a 4 hour candle open. Daily is bearish. We all know this. Oh, oh shit. Previous daily close bullish. Wow. Interesting. Yeah. Hmm. Very interesting. So let me see the 1 hour time frame. So 30-minute time frame. This is the 4 hour candle low. 15. So this is the daily low, 4 hour low. I think for taking a sells, man, like FOMC did nothing. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Yeah, a move happened when this candle open. It break the low. Fed says, no, we are not looking for March rate cuts. And man, I was also looking for that trade, man. But that was too fast, extremely fast. So I couldn't get into this trade. So yeah, man. And also, man, I wanna thanks all of the 200 people who subscribe this channel, man. A big thanks to all of the 200 people who give a subscribe to this channel. Yeah. So this is just a 4 hour candle open. So all we have to do is to wait for it. So let me see, GJ. GJ is bearish. Yeah, GJ is bearish. And H4 is bearish. All right. Yeah, we did close below the range. And the cleaner cells are below this area. Yeah, below this area we have clean range on the left hand side. And 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, same scenario on the 1 hour time frame, and same scenario on the 30-minute time frame. So once we get the closure below the range, I think 15, oh wow, 15-minute is also same, man. Yeah, I am looking for sales below 185, 880. Yeah, I am not going to take the sales below this, like, yeah, this is like 8 pips difference, but I think if we can get the closure below this range, that would be the extra confirmation. So I am looking for extra confirmation. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. If you are not looking for extra confirmation, bro, then it's up to you, man. You can do whatever you want. I'm not here to force you to take the trades with me. I'm here to tell you how to do the trading in a better way. This is all I'm here to do. And yeah, my potential sales are close below this level. I can't see This is the previous 4-hour high. Oh wow. Yeah, previous 4-hour high is not too far. So I think if we can get the closure above this range, we could have like 20 pips. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Above this range, we have like 16 pips. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Above this range, 20 pips. Yeah, I am looking for buys above this area. So that will be a 20 pips range, and there I will like look at this. Uh, uh, Look at this, a perfect break-even area. So this is a, no, this is not a 4-hour high, that is a 4-hour high. So yeah, so this is a perfect break-even area, and this is a perfect exit point for us for today. And let me see the sound. Sound is good, yeah, everything is good. And yeah, let me add the rectangles. So yeah, now we know what we have to do. Yeah, I know. And yeah, this is absolute no trade range. Yeah, this is no trade range for me. I'm not gonna do here anything in this range. uh, no trade range. Yeah, yeah, this is no trade range, man. And gold should push down because GJ is pushing up, and I don't want to take the trade without even without one bullish candle. Yeah, I can't take a trade. I really want to see a bullish candle over here. And also 4-hour is bullish, 1-hour daily is bullish. Yeah, I have no problem to wait. Look at the 1-hour coming down. So yeah, I really want to see a retracement for me to get into the trade. So yeah, but if we can come down this level, create a spot on the 30-minute time frame, I think buys would make more sense for me to. And also I can have a stop loss on the, like, below the 4-hour candle low. That would be more good. Euro USD, oh wow, fuck off, close with no wick at the bottom. Oh, why I didn't look at the Euro USD yesterday? 20 min 1 p.m. Yo, wow. Yeah, look at this. I really want to see a 30-minute, like first 15 minute candle close above the range, gives us a fake out, and then next 15-minute candle gives us a breakout. After a fake out, oh Ali, let me open my Discord. So yeah, man. This is all I'm waiting. Let me delete this. No, I think. Uh, so yeah, man, I'm waiting for some sort of structure to form on the gold. If the structure form, I think that would be good. If it not, it's up to the market. Uh, Ali, come to the Discord, man. So, yeah. So we have 3 peoples. Yeah, 2 likes. So yeah, all we have to do is, and I will like look at this consolidation area, but the thing is, we should be good till this level. Uh, till this level. And if we can get the closure above the range, I will definitely go for a buy because uh, wait a minute. Because daily is bullish, 4 hour is bullish, and I really want to see range to form and then break out of the range. That would be good for me to take the trade. Otherwise, GJ is looking good. Yeah, I can take the trade on GJ. I have no problem. So yeah, let's see. If gold don't want to give us anything, we shouldn't care about the gold. So yeah, let's see. So now I have my, let me go to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I have my support area over here. Let's see if we can form some sort of a support and then break off the support will be my, yeah, then break off the support will be my trade. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we can form a support and then break off the support. So GJ, all right. UJ is doing the same thing but in opposite direction as gold. Yeah. Yeah, this kind of close right at the spot. UJ daily candle is, oh, UJ is bearish. 4 hour is bullish, I think. Yeah, 4 hour is bullish, but it closed below this resistance area. And 1 hour is pushing up. If we can get a resistance on the 1 hour time frame, I think that will be a onion play setup for the potentially go down. Yeah, if we can get, yeah, on this resistance or on this resistance, wherever we can, if we can get the resistance, we should be good to go down. 15-minute is, oh wow, one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, two bullish, one bearish, two bullish, one bearish, one bullish, bearish, bullish. Yeah, 15-minute is just bullshit. 30-minute is looking good. 1 hour is extremely good. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, all right. So it break its own low one more time. I don't think so. There is anything for me. Yeah, I because this is just a 4 hour candle open, man. This is just the first 15-minute candle of the 4 hour candle. How can I get into this trade, man? This is very risky. Where 4 hour is bullish and also 1 hour is also bullish. Oh, not 1 hour daily. Hey Ali, how are you, man? Why you are not on Discord? I'm trying to get you on Discord. Oh, we can add a note over here. So yeah, if it drops, it drops. Let me see the 15. Yeah, if it drops, it drops. No problem. Yeah, all right. Look at this candle close with almost no wick at the bottom, and yeah, I really want to see, like, I don't want to see a move like this. I really want to see a move, a clean move, some sort of a clean move over here. Let's see. Mm. Oh man, that was a good trade. Yeah, price action was making sense. Price action is the key, man. Even on the fundamentals, like this candle create a resistance. 5 minute did close below the level, below the key level. First 1 minute candle go up, 31st of January. Yeah, goes up to create a top wick. Look at this. Candle go up, create a top wick, close below the key level, break the low. Wow. This is the trade that I was looking for. And once the Powell said, I am not, we are not looking for a rate cut in the March, that was the two candles. 33 pips, 40 pips. 70 pip move in 2 minutes and call it a day. Oh shit. Gold is pushing down. Yeah. Yeah. This is anticipated, man. Yeah, this is anticipated, but I don't wanna get into this trade. Ali, are you in this trade or not? Are you in gold? Like the way it is moving down, I don't like this, man. Yeah, I don't like this. Let me see. Join call. All right. I'm fine, man. I'm feeling good. Yeah, what about you? Good morning. I'm on gold. Gold is no, I'm not in trade. I'm not in a trade. I'm just looking at the gold. On gold? Wow. Wow, man. No, I was waiting for. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, actually, So, did you close the trade, or do you have some partials in this trade? All right, beautiful. Like, the whole narrative is bearish, but I was like, this is just a 4-hour candle open. Maybe this candle came down and then came up to fill the 4-hour top wick. Yeah, yeah. How was your FOMC? Did you took anything? Man, uh, Powell was very bad on the start of the press conference. Then he gave only one signal, and then that was the candle open. That moved like crazy, man. 2 1 minute candle. No, no. Actually, I took one loss on the news. Like that spread me out, and then I was like, yeah, I will only look how the market moves. I really want to take this trade, but I was like, yeah, man, I already take risk, so yeah, don't over risk. But yeah, that was a very beautiful trade. And the beautiful thing was here, first 1 minute candle came up, create a top wick, and on the next, as it break the low, Paul was saying, hey, we are not looking to rate cut in the March. Boom, 75 p move in the next 2 minutes. uh, yeah, fundamentals are, I think, pretty important, man. Yeah, you can make, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can do this like uh, there is also one option for like uh, mm, what's that option? Yeah, if I only take the trade if the numbers are too good or too bad. Yesterday I was like, if the numbers came good, I will go for the sell. If the numbers came bad, I will hesitate to take the trade on buy, because the whole narrative is now is holding the rates and gold will push down. And when I took a when I took a buy on gold, it wasn't even moving on the news. Look at this news candle. There was no move. It was ranging for 20 minutes. And after the 20 minutes, I was like, yeah, just close the trade. As I closed the trade, then this happened. Then gold just go up. So yeah, if 630 candle has a little more bottom wick, I would be in this trade. It just break the low in the first minute. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what happened? You let me tell you one thing. Candle is looking very good, but what happened? This candle first came up, then came down to create a bottom wick, then it came break its own high and then came up. Oh, this is, it's all right, 7 p.m. Pakistan time, 7 p.m. When we have the the 7 p.m. Oh wow. Yeah, same thing. 4 hour candle open. I think, yeah. I wasn't looking for the volume on the first candle. But man, that, yeah, yeah, there was a breakout and clean the, yeah. And the thing is, like, it is not about the breakout, it is about the clean range to the left hand side. Like, most of the time we get the breakout, but no clean range. Like, if we can get the breakout on GJ towards the downside, there is a very good range on the left hand side below 185.880. So yeah, man, gold has a move of like, yeah, 16, 17 pips. So I'm also waiting for a spot to form. Maybe I go for a buy if the spot form on the 30-minute time frame without break without breaking the, yeah. Yeah, man, yeah, yeah. Because if you like, I still have risk to put, and if you now you put your risk, you got your money, and if you again put your risk, and if you get to the break even, then that hurts more because you lost your profits. Yeah, move is already done. Then we need a onion play. Yeah, yeah. And no, I am anticipating daily candle to close bearish. My bias is still bearish. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this trade is like, yeah, the way we were pushing down, one bearish, one bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish. So I was like, maybe, and 1 hour was also looking like an extended. So that is why that hesitate me a little bit. But my bias is still bearish. Uh, you know what? So let me show you one thing. Uh, September. September. Where is September? Mm, then you will understand what I'm trying to say. And actually, that will help you also as well, because in the next week or tomorrow, you will get you will have a better scenarios. So that was the FOMC, when we see a same move towards the upside on 6:30, like yesterday happened. Same thing happened before the, like, this is the candle you are looking for, wick fill. Same wick fill candle happen also. And then what happened, like, actually, you know what, I took a sell over here, and I, as this 15 minute candle closed bearish, I just closed my sell with no wick at the bottom, and then it just came up. And what happened when the Fed says you can see one more rate hike? This thing happened. We see a huge move towards the upside throughout the night. But on the next day, we see a retracement. Look at the retracement. Almost 140 pp retracement, because that was anticipated. That was like, yeah, maybe everyone was looking for sales, but market did a retracement. So what happened after? We just came down. You can see some sell positions, some sell position. We just come down, man. Like, come down to 1857 from 1922, I think, because I was looking for the trade over here. I was looking for the trade, and that was pretty bad. Like, I was only looking for sales at the time. If this kind of would have give me a breakout, I would have, like, that was a ranging market. As we close the charts, 7:30 was a move, and that 7:30 now is 8:30 p.m. Pakistan time. So this is the same thing that can happen now. Like, we see a retracement, and that is why I'm saying my bias is still bearish, because overall fundamentals are saying there there may be no rate cut on the March, and that is why I'm saying, like this is the move that we see on the 9:30 Eastern candle. Same thing happened towards the upside, and everyone was crazy. Why this is moving like this? So this thing happened before, and then on the FOMC we see a move towards the downside. And what happened? Now we have a retracement of 2030 to 20. Yeah, we have a retracement of 190 pips. And now what we can see, like, we can see ranging today, or like we will see a move towards the downside. That is for sure. So this is what my anticipation is. But let's see how the market reacts to this. UJ. Man, Euro USD closed with no wick at the bottom. Today, yeah, maybe it gives, maybe it range. Uh, oh, man, thank you. Yeah, I don't. Oh, yeah, yeah. We have interest rates for GJ. Yeah, I will not. Yeah, I'll not do that. But the thing is, we can also see in this way GJ will push down. Yeah, if they hold the rates, we can see a first wick down, a big wick down. Let me think that, because they have a scare of recession. Their economy is their economy. No, that scenario was with the. Oh, yeah, that scenario was with the euro, not pound. Yeah. So I took one trade on euro USD. That was my first trade, and they increased the rates. So when they increase the rates, that means economy will strong. Like, when they increase the rates on the dollar, that means dollar will strong and gold will go down. And I was on the Euro USD, and I was like, yeah, if they increase the rates, I'll go for a sell because Euro will strong. So that means it has to go down. And like I have the idea of gold, but Euro USD is opposite. Like if Euro is strong, it means it has to go up. And what I did, I only had a sell stop, and Euro first came up. Euro first came up. My friend got in his buys because Euro increases rates, and I was only looking for sells. And I was like, yeah, man, Euro has to strong, and if Euro has to strong, it will go down. And I didn't like even think about that. And I was in a sell. I secured like 20-30 pips. And when I met him, he was like, man, yesterday I lost $70. I was like, why? He was like, man, yesterday interest rates were increasing, so it means euro will be stronger. I was like, yeah, same anticipation like mine. Then why you get into the bias? He was like, if euro will get stronger, that means it will go up. I was like, yeah, it makes sense. I was like, man, thank God that makes sense. That didn't make sense for me on yesterday. I would be on, I would be on same ride. And then we like, then we were like, man, why it like if they increase the rates, why euro move down? And then we got the information, it moves down because their economy can't bear this interest rates pressure, and that is why their economy has a problem with this kind of interest rates. So then we have seen, that is why gold euro go down. So then I was like, oh man, that makes sense. And if they increase their rates, their economy can crash. So that is why they will not increase the rates. So these are the things that we got from, like, by looking at the data. So yeah, gold is like, we did create, we did create a bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. Maybe now, Ali man, congratulations to you, man. You got your like piece of, you got your piece from the markets. And that was, oh, bro, you know what? You know what? Why you took a win? Because today is not a January. Today is the 1st of February. Yeah, your January still winless. And the month change, it also change your luck. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, there too was. Yeah, yeah. And one more thing I wanna tell you, if this candle, if there is like no 4-hour candle open close problem, then that was a perfect trade. Before last 15 minute candle of the 4-hour candle, because that candle grabbed the liquidity. Very good. And one more thing I I understand about the markets. If we grab the liquidity, we shouldn't. Maybe next candle don't give us a very steep bottom wick because we already grabbed the liquidity. Like look at the yesterday 6:30. 9:30 a.m. Eastern candle. If you look at the 9:30 a.m. Eastern candle, that came up, came down for like 2.2 pips, and then break the high in the first minute. And why? Because if you look at the previous 15-minute candle, that has a big wick, like 15 pips of wick, and that shows us we all already grabbed the liquidity. Now there is no mean for us to grab more liquidity, and we have a volume, so now it is a time for a push. And same thing, like we can see the same thing on the salary play setup. Whenever we have a salary play setup, we can see like candles, most of the time candle have like 3, 2, 3, 4 pip top or bottom mix and then drive down. And that makes sense. Like we also have to understand, we shouldn't say that, hey man, we need a bottom wick. Like we need a little bit of bottom wick, not like, hey man, we need a 5 pip bottom wick on every candle. No, if the previous candle has a good bottom wick, if the previous, like this candle, 740, no, 730 candle, what, so if, yeah, yeah bro, yeah man, thank you, thank you. Yeah, bro. Okay. First, send me a message on the chat section, so I will pick your call on the Discord. Okay, bro. Allah Hafiz. So yeah, man. GJ is in a. Oh man, yeah. I will not trade on GJ as well. Yeah, man. No way. No way. Yeah, let's see how this candle on the 30-minute candle close. Maybe I get into the cells. So gold, 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 gold. We did we did create a new high. 30-minute, 1 hour. Oh wow, 1 hour is still bearish. Ah, 30-minute is, yeah. Yeah. um, so man, people are discussing the politics, and my father is also, I don't know why. I don't like the politics stuff at all, because they are just a bullshit. They are making us fool. Yeah, man, I'm still waiting for something to. Oh, wow. Can also close bearish. Wow. Bearish candle one more time. And I'm not looking for 10 pips over here, man. Like, yeah, very hard to say, man, I'm looking for 10 pips. No, man, I'm not looking for 10 pips over here. I'll see if this candle can close bearish, I'll go for a buy or I'll go for a sell. Yeah, that make more sense for me. Yeah, yeah, man, very tough. Like we are also, this is the last 15 minute candle of the 1 hour, and we are also like if we take the trade here, man. Yeah, 4 hour on the. Oh wow. Oh, it makes sense on the Dominion markets. We have a low way below. Mm. We may see. Yeah, I'm looking for this candle. How this candle will close. So man, people are discussing the politics. I don't want to be in that situation where I have to discuss about the politics, man. I don't like politics at all because they they make us fool every day. They try to make us fool every day without even taking a day off. So, mm, wow, yeah. Mm. Yeah, let's see if this kind of can close bearish. I would be in this trade. Yeah, man. Which trade can I take yesterday? I can take. Yeah, was there any trade yesterday? I don't. Oh wow, beautiful. That could be the trade because we were 20 pips. Yeah. So if we have to take this trade, we can have a stop loss above previous 13, 14 pips. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Muito bem. Só isso. Mm-hmm. George W. Bush and Vladimir Putin, good old days. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, you can't hear the song. Yeah, this is why, man. Wow. No, yeah, push up gives us a bottom weight. So we can. That is a fake out. This is not a. Yeah, this is a fake out trade over here. 30 minute is looking good. Magic keys. Our risk. Fixed load size 600 trade, and what I'm gonna do here should move SL to break even when partial TP is hit. True. Auto break even initial pip distance, partial TP and initial pip distance. Version 2. TP level distance from upper, okay. Entry level, okay. Number of trades, okay. Partial SL, alright. Open calc 1 1. Yeah, partial SL. Yeah, partial SL would be. Uh, fixed pips and profit. No. Show trading limits window. I don't know what that is. Minimum lot size. Alright, price. Yeah. So we have 5 minutes left for the candle to close. Wow, this is pushing up, and that was anticipated. Like I said, I'm bearish. I'm bearish on gold, but it doesn't mean I will take this trade. I'm still thinking like maybe it come down but I don't know what it will do. But yeah, yeah. So yeah, the only thing that I know is I don't know what that is. The only thing that I know is I don't know what that is. Uh, what is the low of this candle? This is oh yeah, we are rejecting from the top side. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can come down. Yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for. I am waiting for 1 hour candle to close over here, but I really want to see this candle to close a strong candle, not a weak candle. Yeah, no. This is not the way. Gold is pushing down. No, GJ pushing down. No. This is not the thing. Not. No. This is what I don't like about that. Yeah. I wanna see this candle a strong bearish candle, not like oh wow, 4 hour is now 4 hour is now moving up. Look at this 1 hour. Yeah, I can't believe in this 30-minute candle now. Yeah, look at this candle flip bullish. Wow, wow. This is what we were looking for, but man, it is what it is. It's up to the markets. Look at this move, man, in the last 2 minutes. We move up, man. We move up. We have 2 or 3 minutes left. 2 minutes left for the candle to close, and looks like we are. Can we go for a buy? Let me see. Can we go for a buy? Uh, do we have enough range to go for a buy? No, man. 6 pips. So yeah, I'm not a man who say, hey man, I'm happy with that 10 pips or 7. No, man. I'm looking for something big. Maybe I go for a sell on this trade. Maybe because my bias is bearish, but it doesn't mean. Wow, look at this rejection, man. So yeah, I'm looking for nothing on the UJ, but maybe I go for a selling gold. Maybe I don't know, man. Oh shit, very interesting and very tough. Yeah, let me see this on Dominion markets. Dominion markets. Are we good? The market is saying we don't have any top wick for the 4 hour candle. I'm saying, wow, 30 seconds left for the candle to close. What I'm looking for. All right, candle did close over here. Yeah, candle did close over here, and let's see UJ 1 hour close bullish. 30-minute looks like a salary play over here. Bro, are you looking for a little scalp over here? If you think little scalp would be good, so we can break the low. Yeah, without even a top wick. Yeah, without even a top wick. GJ open with the gap. So if this GJ 15 mechanic close below the range. Oh, do we have any news? Yeah, the way it is moving up or down, not looking good. This is 1 p.m. No, we don't have any news. Let me see economic calendar because shits are pushing very hard. Yeah, shits are pushing very hard. We may have a news. We may have some sort of a news. Oh wow, what the heck is this? Why internet is not working? Oh, it is working. So we had the news of traders way prospects. Yeah, Turkey and asset. Yeah, that is a news regarding Turkey. So yeah, there was nothing. Oh, non-farm payroll. This is just tomorrow, I think. Yeah, 5:30, 8:30. So yeah, man. Let me see what's going on. Gold, no top wick. UJ, oh wow, breaking the low, man. How the 15 weekend? Oh, 15 weekend also closed. So yeah, no problem. I don't think so. I missed anything over here. If this candle, because if the 1 hour candle would have closed bearish, then I would be in this trade over here, and yeah, we would be good to tap into this area. Gold, I don't mind gold at all. Gold has to do whatever it has to do. And also, I know one thing is we have a pretty good range on the gold on left hand side, so that is why I'm not here to force anything. uh, Look at this, pretty good range over here. Partial would be, yeah, I would look for some good trade over here, but I really want to see this candle to pull back now, man. This shit is like, mm, the way it is, like this candle moves 21 pips. I don't know why. I was looking for UJ, man. I was looking for UJ. Oh shit. Almost 10 pips and 14, 15 pips of stop loss. I still think like it can. Yep, no problem. If it has to go down, it has to go down. If it don't want to take us into this trade, look at this. This is what I'm saying, man. I'm not a guy. DJ pushing. Let me see. GJ pushing. GJ pushing. So the thing I know is, like, look at me, man. I didn't get into this trade. Yeah, I didn't get into this trade, man. So this is how I maintain my patience. If we can get a top wick, then break the low, that would be like 16, 17 pips stop loss. Yeah, let's see. 1 hour was bearish, but that was the open of the 1 hour candle, and 1 hour also has no bottom wick. Yeah. Oh, top wick. Yeah. Oh, wow. That is the 1 hour candle. We need a top wick. Yeah, nothing. Uh, I didn't even look at this stuff over here. 8 p.m. That could be the best stop loss. That could be the best exit because of no bottom wick on the 5 minute. Yeah, yeah, because of the no bottom wick on the 5 minute. And yeah, man, I'm not here to force the trade. Let's see if we can get a pullback on the 5 minute time frame. JPY is not looking good below this level. NDX, wow. Nothing on Nasdaq. Yeah, nothing. Man, Nasdaq move, I don't know. Like, XAU. Yeah, gold. Gold can go wherever gold wanna go. I have no problem. Yeah, gold can go wherever gold wanna go. I have no problem. Not the ideal setup. Like we come up, but we still did not. Yeah, Euro USD has no bottom wick or top. Yeah, bottom wick. Wow. Oh, man, dude. Mm. Wow. EI logo shows the World Economic Forum. Oh, Kesha Maharaj. Yeah, man, I don't care about. Mm. Yeah, I don't want to get into this trade, man. Let's see the 5 minute timer. This is where we get the entry. 6 pips, yeah. 6 pips and trade. Yeah, tough, man. Believe me. Believe me. And where we have a 4 hour low over here, man. Like we all know this. If we break the high, we have to go up. And if somewhere over here we can get a support without breaking the low, what I will do, I will take a buy and I'll have a stop loss on this low. 4 hour low. 15-minute candle is about to close. Ah. So yeah, I don't care if it moves all the way down. Oh, he's back on YouTube. Bhediya, bhediya. Oh, he upload 4 videos in one day. Imran Riaz Khan. Oh wow. First video 1.2 million views. Wow. Man, this man has a huge, yeah, this man has a huge following, but the problem is he is just a propaganda machine. Yeah. Like he always try to make fool peoples by twisting the facts, and he knows how to twist the facts. So we are currently at 200 subscribers. Let's see. And man, we will, yeah, I think do we will do a stream for the NFP. Yeah, we will. We will. We will do the stream for the NFP. Wow, that would be good. I think that would work. So yeah, man. By looking at this, I can't take a trade, man, where we have like just 15 pips away. We are previous 4 hour candle low. Previous 4 hour is bullish. As long as we hold the low, we can fill this wick. But after filling the wick, I am assuming we can see a huge move towards the downside. Mm, mm. Yeah. Mm, wow. 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 So 15-minute candidate close. GJ 15-minute candle. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. GJ 15-minute candle close. GJ. Yeah, man. This is beautiful. I really want to see this candle to close. Like this candle to came up, create a top wick and close over here. So get a I can get a salary play over here. Yeah, I think that would be the best bet for the day. Yeah, like I really don't want to take the trade on GJ, but I think if we can get the closure, this candle can came up and gives us a closure. I think that would be the best bet for us for today. And stop loss is not too bad. Stop loss is just 20 pips. But I really want to see this candle to came up. If this candle fill the wick, that is whole another case, man. Like that is whole another case, I think. And oh shit, I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. And this is pushing down that was anticipated, but the problem is this candle has no bottom wick. 20 pips stop loss. Yeah, that could be like a trade, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, look at this. If we would have entered into this trade, we would have in a drawdown. And I really don't want to be like, I don't want to be in a drawdown. Like, if I am in a drawdown in a good position, I have no problem. But if I am, but if I took the trade like this, where 4 hour is bullish, daily is bullish, yeah, look at this one 30-minute candle. No top wick, now coming up maybe to create a top wick. Wow. Oh, quiz scale. Oh, look at this. Here comes the top wick. So if you guys don't know, like how important top wicks and bottom wicks are, just you can see this. Yeah. Do we have? Yeah, man. Can we see a top wick over here? I think if we can see a top wick, yeah, previous candle has also no top wick, so yeah, this is really tough. Yeah. UJ maybe wherever it go, I don't care. It it this thing is wow, that was good. If this kind of would have top, wow. Oh wow, beautiful. And yeah, let's see if it push up. Mm. Yeah, I really don't mind that if this kind of came up and close bearish. Yeah, I really don't mind that. But I want to see this candle. And my plan for UJ now is above this candle, above this range. I'll go for a buy. Yeah, this is a good range to play with. or maybe above this range on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, I would like to take a buy above this range. So yeah, let's see. 15, yeah, we got a top wick over here. Yeah, if your stop loss is over here, then no problem. But if your stop loss is above this candle, then most probably you got stopped out over here. Yeah, can we see a top wick on this candle? Because I wanna have a stop loss of, yeah, I can. No, no. Yeah, man, I'm feeling extreme hungry. Yeah, extreme hungry, but let's see how. Uh, no, what was that? Okay, yeah. Mm, nothing. Not the ideal. Yeah, now this is pushing down. But now we can't really take a trade. Yeah. Man, you have to accept that we don't have anything on gold for today. Yeah, I think we have to accept this. Yeah, we really have to accept this. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, this kind of came up to create a top. Like, let's see if this kind of came up to create a top. Like, man, why? Why Euro USD did this? I could have made 1 to 1 over here. Could have made 1 to 1 over here, man. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Let's see, man. Like we are pushing down, no doubt about that. 1 hour is pushing down, but we still didn't push too much. Like yesterday, in 1 minute candle, I've seen a more push in these 4, 5 1 hour candles. Yeah, yeah. Let's see, man. I want this candle to have a top wick over here, 3 4 pips, and then I want to see this candle to close over here. Let's see if that thing happen or not. I don't know, but I really don't know. But Euro USD could have been a 17 pips. Man, can we see a flip? Yeah, it is trying very hard to flip, but it can't. Yeah, can we see a flip? No, we can't. Oh wow. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can see a flip. Man, oh, we are about to flip. Yeah, now we have not the ideal top wick, but still, what is the candle open? Candle open is 863 and candle high is 880, 1.75 top wick. If we can, I am also I am also looking for a trade on the candle open. Like, what kind of trade that would be? That would be a candle open trade with a half risk, and the remaining half risk I will add. Mm, let's see, man. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I don't wanna stick into this shit. Let's see if we can break the high one more time. That would be good. Can we break the high? I think we didn't. Yeah, 880. Still we have the 880 high. 880. Oh wow, we break the high. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Or if this kind of close above the range, I have no problem. Like I can do some more weight. I can do some more weight for the candle to close. All right. I don't know what I have to do now. Let's see. We can make the decision after this candle close. Do I wanna go on the candle open? I don't think so. Is it a good top wick? Absolutely good top wick. Oh man, I was feeling hungry, so I got some breakfast for me. So yeah, I don't think so. GJ wanna go down. We can close this trade. Should we close this trade? Yeah, I think we should. Close. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, nothing. Gold is pushing down. Gold is downtown, man. Like gold, what? I don't know what gold is trying to do. So what I am trying to do is to eat my prata. Ah, yeah. I'm bearish, but it doesn't mean. Yeah. Can you see this? A break even? Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, maybe we come down to fill the wick. I don't know why it is not coming down. Maybe because of no volume. I don't know. But we still didn't break the high of the previous 15-minute candle. Mm. Mm. Gold sell. All right, so we have 7 likes. Can we get more? Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I think we could also wait for the candle to close. Yeah, but let's see at the gold, man. Let's see the gold. Yeah. Should we call it a day or should we running the stream now? Hmm. I think we have to wait for the London Open, man. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Kind of close above the range. Mm. Ah, ah, I got my tongue in my teeth. Mm. 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 Look at this gold, man. Oh, my tongue is hurting, man. Look at the 5-minute range. Hmm. Yeah, Sidesh Pandey. Yeah, we took one trade, break even. That was the trade on the 30-minute candle open. My anticipation was we can see a quick move towards the downside, fill this week in that way we can get like 15, 16 pips. But first 10 minutes, we were like 3 minutes left for the candle to close. I anticipate like maybe this candle close bullish, so I closed the trade at break even. Yeah, bro, that was the only opportunity. And man, I'm very, very thankful, man. I'm extremely thankful, man. We got 8 likes, man. And You guys are really, you guys are really good, man. Mm, you guys are really beautiful, amazingly beautiful. I love you all, my community. I love all the community. So yeah, bro, like there was only opportunity that I see. I was like, yeah, because if I go for the candle open here, there wasn't enough range. I was like, yeah, if I can get the trade on the top wick, maybe we get like 15, 16 pips, and we were up like 5, 6, 7 pips, 5, 6 pips. But I was like, yeah, but I think we have the interest rates for the pound today. Maybe pound don't gives us a move, and gold is just doing crazy things. Like you can see on the 15-minute time frame. Can you see anything over here except these two candles? Because that was a 4-hour on open candle. This candle has no bottom wick, or maybe, yeah, very little to no bottom wick. And this kind of gives us a move. The only candle that moves 13 pips. The remainder of the candles are just like, you can also see, man, like the way we are pushing down is not the way, is not the ideal way. So, so yeah, that is why I'm waiting. That is why I'm not getting into the trades. So, if we don't have anything, what we can do, bro? We can just, yeah, we can do our best to avoid losses. Maybe we get a trade on the London Open. Hmm. Yeah. Let's see how this 30-minute candle close. Yeah, the idea was right, man. But yeah, we have 6 minutes left for the candle to close. Let's see if this candle can pull back. Or if this candle can close below this range, I think that would be also good. That will be a 30-minute break, a 1 hour breakout, 30-minute rally break. What the hell it is? So mm, 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 mm. Let's see, man. We have 5 minutes left for the candle to close. All right, man. All right. No, no. If this gonna come down like this, I will not take the trade. I really wanna see a bottom wick, and I also wanna see a top wick. Oh, yeah. I really wanna see a bottom and top both wicks. We are pushing down, no problem. So look at this. No bottom wick on this candle. Yeah, man. 30-minute candle close with no bottom wick. What we can do now? Do we have anything to do now? I don't think so. We also have a news of ECB. Oh, that is not a news, that is a speak. So yeah, man, nothing we can do here because candle close with no wick at the bottom. Yeah, candle close with no wick at the bottom. So yeah, that's it. You all know me. Whenever I think I could have hold this trade. Yeah, this is the break-even point, or this is where we could get like yeah, man. All right, 15, 30. Oh, 30-minute candle close with no wick at the bottom. Move towards the upside. Okay. Okay. Gold close bullish with no wick at the top. Yeah, I'm bearish on gold without any doubt. Yeah. I think I should call it a day, man. Yeah, I should call it a day because now we don't have anything. Look at this gold, man. Like what we have done so far on gold. Done nothing, man. We are in this range, just ranging. So yeah, if you can understand this, then you can become a better trader. And yeah, nothing else that we can do now. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, didn't close above the range. Yeah, man. I'm going to call it a day now. I'm going to call it a day. So yeah, man, I'm going to call it a day because there is no opportunity for us. Peace.
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.